nagsimula yung atake nila? Alalahanin nyo. Di ba? After ako nag-resign sa DepEd, kailan ba nagsimula yung pambabastos nila? Last year. After that meeting with the Makabayan Bloc and Martin Romualdez. They started destroying my name, pummeling me in the media with a multi-million PR campaign. Pinastos pa nila ako ng mga pagsisinungaling nila na kesyo taksil, kesyo korap, abusado. Putang ina ninyo. Sino ang korap? Yung mga congressman na yan na nag-hearing, anong sinasabi nila? Pagkatapos, pag na-off na ang mic, pag wala ng media, pasensya na kayo ha. Kailangan kasi namin ng pera. Mag-i-eleksyon na kasi. Pakisabi kay Sara ha. Hindi ko naman gusto tong ginagawa ko eh. Eh putang ina, hindi mo pala gusto ginagawa mo eh. Bakit mo sinisira pangalan ko? Joel Chua. Ganyan. Ganyan ang bansa. This country is going to hell because we are led by a person who doesn't know how to be a president and who is a liar. Alam nyo anong pruweba ko na sinungaling siya? Tinanong ko, 2 businessman. Matagal na sa negosyo ng bigas. Because I was concerned. This is a campaign promise. 20 pesos na kilo ng bigas. And so, I really sat down and talked to a businessman. Sabi ko, sabihin mo sa akin, kung magagawa ba yung 20 pesos? Sabi niya, hindi. Napaka-imposibleng gawin yan. Because more than 20 pesos ang cost. Paano ka magbenta ng palugi? So, tinanong ko, nagsinungaling ba siya nung sinabi niya? And then he said outright, yes. It's either he did not know what he was talking about, that's so incompetent, or he was lying through his teeth to get the votes of people. Putang ina ninyong lahat. Martin Romualdez, Lisa Marcos, Bongbong Marcos.